Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.